Hello children, today we are going to discuss respiratory system in plants. Children, plants also respire. Why do they respire? To get energy. Plants need energy? Yes, plants need energy. You know, leaves, they need energy to do work. And stem, they also need energy for leaves. They need energy, they make food. Okay, for making food they need energy. Stem, they need energy for translocation and transportation of water and mineral, translocation of food, and transportation of water and mineral. Roots, they also need energy to take water and mineral from the soil. So all parts of the plant, they require energy. That is why respiration process takes place in plants. So which part takes air or breathe in air? In leaves, children, leaves, all you know, two sides, this is upper side and opposite of this is lower side. Lower side, there are many stomata. All you have learnt about stomata. Exchange of gases takes place through this stomata. This stomata takes in air. Air contains both carbon dioxide and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is utilized for photosynthesis and oxygen for respiration. And in other words, if we say, when plants photosynthesize, in photosynthesis they take carbon dioxide, water, and they make food, glucose. Glucose, what is the chemical formula of glucose? C6H12O6, and it gives out oxygen. So this is photosynthesis. Okay, oxygen comes out. Plants can use this oxygen for respiration. This is photosynthesis. So in daytime, this photosynthesis takes place and plants, they make food and give out oxygen. This oxygen they use for respiration also. Respiration process. Respiration is what? This glucose which is there as food. They take oxygen and this, what takes place? Chemical reaction gives out carbon dioxide, water, and large amount of energy. This energy is used to do different work. Leaves, they prepare food. Stem, they help in transporting material. Roots, they suck what? Water and mineral. So daytime, so it's fine, they take the oxygen which is present, but during the night, children, respiration takes place both day and night. Okay, day and night. This process takes place day and night. Photosynthesis only takes place during the day in presence of sunlight. So in night, they take in oxygen from the air through stomata. Okay, stomata, the air comes, they take the oxygen from that and they give out what? Carbon dioxide. That is why it is said, do not sleep under the tree during the night. Why? That time it only gives out carbon dioxide. During the day it gives out oxygen, because carbon dioxide which it gives out, that is utilized by the plant again. Only oxygen comes out. But during the night, no photosynthesis takes place, so this carbon dioxide is not utilized by the plant and it comes out. Okay, children? Now roots. We are going to discuss how roots take air. Roots, they don't have stomatas. Roots, how do they take? The cells, as I told you in amoeba, directly they take skin of earthworm. They take the oxygen directly from the air. Same manner, the cells of the root take oxygen directly. And give out of carbon dioxide directly. Okay, take oxygen directly and give out carbon dioxide directly. And where is this air? In the soil. Children, you have seen this thing that farmers and gardeners, they keep on tilling the soil. Tilling means they make the soil loose so that air enters in the soil, and from the air they take the oxygen. Okay children, you have in soil chapter also you have learned when we pour water, the bubbles come out. Bubbles are what? Trapped air in the soil. Okay, now I am going to tell you how aquatic plants respire. Aquatic plants and animals, you have learned, you know that in water plants are also there, animals are also there. Animals, I already told you, they respire through their skin and through skin and gills. Okay, but how plants they respire? This is water. Pehli cheez, how they get this oxygen in water? How oxygen comes in water? First is what? Oxygen comes through air. Oxygen and carbon dioxide, two gases are there. They dissolve in water. Which two gases dissolve in water? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. These two gases, they are important for life. They dissolve in water. Oxygen dissolve in water. Okay, from air in the atmosphere. Oxygen dissolves in water. First way. Second way, plants are green. Plants are there. Okay, they photosynthesize. They take carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and give oxygen. So there are two ways water gets oxygen. First is oxygen dissolves from air, and second is green plants give out oxygen. And this oxygen is utilized by the plants again, and also the animals for which process? Respiration process. Okay children, now I am going to tell you one thing, that heat is also produced during respiration. I told you this is respiration formula, C6H12O6. When oxygen react, it gives carbon dioxide, water, and releases large amount of energy and heat also. This heat, children, you can feel when you breathe in. Okay, and now you breathe out, you put your palm in front of your mouth, you will feel the air is warm. Why air is warm? Because with carbon dioxide, what is coming out? Water vapor and also heat. I am going to prove it with the help of one experiment. We will take green peas. Okay, we will soak them in water. Now we will divide it into two parts. First and second. Second part we are going to boil. When we boil the peas, they will die. Inside the baby in the peas, that embryo, it is going to die. Now we are going to take two flasks. Flask is that does not allow the heat to move out. That is why we are taking flask. Okay. Now In first flask, we are going same size. Okay, same size we will take the flask. In both we are going to put the peas. In this unboiled, and in this we are going to put the boiled peas. Okay, boiled peas are dead. Now thermometer we are going to place. After 2 or 3 hours we will observe in which the reading is increased, first one or second. Yes, in first one the reading is increased. Why? These peas are living and they are respiring, and after respiring they are releasing heat, so the reading of thermometer increases. And in this no change. Why? They are boiled, and boiled are dead. ठीक है, these germination starts in this, that germinating seeds they become germinating. You have seen children when we soak them and after some time that roots come out, so they are germinating seeds. They are taking energy so that germination can take place. Okay children.